In this video, we'll show you how to deposit money on Stake with your Kraken account. First of all, you need to log into your Stake account, then you need to click on Wallet in the top and you need to press on Deposit. After that, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Most likely you want to deposit USDT, so I'll choose USDT, and then you need to choose the network. For example, you can choose ERC20 network, and then you can copy this wallet address. You need to send the USDT with Ethereum network, ERC20 network, on this wallet address. You can also choose different networks, but the main thing is that you need to use the same network when you are transferring money from Kraken to Stake. So in this case, I will choose Ethereum ERC20. Let's copy the wallet address, and now we need to open our Kraken account. So let's go to the Kraken. Right here, we need to go to our portfolio in the bottom left corner, and you need to click on transfer. Then select withdraw, and after that, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In this case, you need to select the USDT. After that, you need to paste the wallet address. You just copy it from Stake, and you need to select the same network you have chosen on Stake. So in this case, we're choosing Ethereum ERC20 network, and then you need to enter the amount you want to deposit on Stake. As I remember, there is no minimum deposit, so you can deposit any amount of money on Stake. After that, you need to finalize the transaction, and in a few minutes you can check your balance on Stake. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.